Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini without unlocking your phone. This incredible feature lets you interact with your AI assistant for quick tasks, even when your device is locked. It's designed for maximum convenience, allowing you to get things done faster and more efficiently. We'll cover the simple steps to enable this, along with what you can achieve and important security considerations. Let's dive right in and make your daily interactions smoother. Enabling Gemini on your lock screen is a straightforward process. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device. Next, tap your profile picture, usually located in the top right corner, and then select Settings. From there, find and tap Gemini on lock screen and simply toggle the Use Gemini without unlocking option to the On position. It's also a good idea to confirm Gemini is your default digital assistant for the best experience. Once enabled, accessing Gemini from your lock screen is easy. You can simply say, "Hey Google," or, on many Android phones, long press the power button. With Gemini active, you can perform numerous quick tasks. For instance, ask for the current weather, set an alarm for 7 a.m., or even control smart home devices like turning off the living room lights. You can also make calls and send messages, making it incredibly useful when your hands are full. While incredibly convenient, it's important to understand Gemini's privacy and security aspects. For highly personal information, such as reading your calendar or accessing specific app data, Gemini will prompt you to unlock your phone. You have full control over enabling or disabling personal results from the lock screen within the settings. This ensures a balance between quick access and maintaining the security of your private data, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.